freedom fighters leader Julius Malema's firearm trial is far from over. Malema and co-accused Adriaan Snyman lost their bid to have the trial thrown out of court. Now, the pair's lawyers argued that there was no evidence to suggest that they were guilty of endangering the lives of EFF supporters during the party's 5th birthday celebrations back in 2018. An angry Malema took aim at Magistrate Juanette Olivier, and the party briefed thousands of its supporters outside the East London Magistrates Court today. And Ronald Masinda has more on the story.
In delivering a judgment, Magistrate Juanette Olivier told the court that the state had enough evidence for the accused to have a case to answer to.
Accused 1 and 2, number 1 in respect of counts 1, 2, 3 and 5, accused 2 in respect of count 4 and 6. The application for discharge in terms of section 174 of Act 51 of 1977 is not granted.
But the judgment did not sit well with the EFF leader. Malema criticized the magistrate for the way she conducted herself throughout the trial.
Comrades, a magistrate comes to court that was postponed for so many days with papers that are all over. She can't read her own notes. Her judgment is so disorganized. Then what is even worse, there must be a separation of powers between a magistrate and the police. When she comes into court, she says to a police officer, "Go and fetch judgment, I forgot it in the office." The magistrate must be the only person who sees the judgment. The judgment must sit here.
Lobby group AfriForum has welcomed the judgment. They say this should illustrate that no one is above the law.
We welcome the magistrate's decision to keep this case going, but we're not surprised by it, as Mr. Malema's attempt to get this case thrown out of court was ludicrous, to say the least. Unfortunately, Mr. Malema's legal team has resorted to using delaying tactics various times throughout this trial, and it's really getting to a point now where it's almost getting absurd. Mr. Malema is caught on video committing a serious crime, and he needs to face consequences for those actions. Politicians are not above the law, even though they think they are.
The trial is expected to resume on the 15th of July 2024. The EFF leadership says this should give them more time to concentrate on their election campaign. Ronald Masinda, East London.